Hey everybody, it's Tim from Latticework Insights. One of the number one things people tell us is they know data and analytics is important, but they struggle to rally budget for it. They know they need data tools like Fivetran, Snowflake, BI tools like Tableau and Sigma, and talent that can deep dive into things like LTV, CAC, and retention. But there's a problem. They've been burned before or underwhelmed. They're frustrated with data scientists and SaaS vendors that just don't get it. So they struggle to articulate how data and analytics is going to make them money and not just cost a ton of money. This is exactly why we created Latticework Basic. It's kind of like a boot camp. It draws a direct line between your data investment and unlocking revenue. We help companies rally support by showing exactly how data unlocks growth and the budgets to support it. A couple examples would be LTV reports that can predict which customers will generate the most revenue, and CAC reports that target the most profitable customers, not just the cheapest ones to acquire, and churn reports to zoom in on the easiest customers to reactivate. With Latticework Basic, we work directly with your folks in operations, finance, and marketing. We ensure you have the right technologies. We set it all up. We build all their mission-critical KPIs, things like LTV, CAC, and retention, and we upgrade how they think about and use data. We call it data culture. Let me give you a couple specific examples of how we take dashboards that seem mundane and tedious and turn them into jaw-dropping insights that generate revenue. You can take these examples directly to your team to rally the support you need to get budget for an analytics project. Predictive LTV is one example. You could think about LTV as the sum that a customer has spent. Easy to calculate, but kind of boring. What's the action item here? Or you can think about LTV as how much a customer is likely to spend, given customers similar to them. We can use a predictive algorithm like buy until you die. With one small tweak, now we can zoom in on customers that will likely spend more, but just haven't done so yet. And we can pass this to marketing to go get that money. Another example is second order modeling. In most retail and D2C companies, about 75% of customers only buy once. Figuring out what it takes to get to a second purchase is crucial. Is a customer a one and done? If they buy product A, how likely are they to buy product B? What is the specific dollar value of converting even a tiny sliver of these one and done customers? With one small tweak, we can literally quantify segments for marketing. Another great example is RFM, where we create segments based on recency, frequency, and monetary value. Customers naturally fall into a couple different behaviors. Boring, really old, and really inactive. Unicorns, really recent and really lucrative. And X's, really lucrative, but they went dark for some reason. With this one small tweak, we have two immediate actions. Upload the unicorns to Meta for lookalike targeting. Download the X's into Klaviyo for win-back campaigns. And this is only the beginning. With just a few small tweaks, your metrics stop being routine numbers and start begging your teams to take action. Suddenly, your team starts seeing data as a growth engine, not a chore, and getting budget for data initiatives becomes so much easier. So if you're a retail or D2C brand who's struggled with analytics before, or you've had a hard time rallying budget for an analytics initiative, we'd love to talk to your team. Thanks for listening.